Hello everybody, Tony with Burn Stainless here, and today we're at the SEMA Show in the Central Hall. That has all the racing products and the restoration product. So here we have a little flyover, if you will, to check out some of our performance friends like Jet Performance here with their new products of carburetors and throttle bodies. Edelbrock had a big showing, the Edelbrock group here, and with this incredible Moosey 555 performance engine with their ProFlow 4. And so we come to the SEMA Show to get a little inspiration, see what's going on, see what some of the new trends are, and happy to say that the show was just vibrant. I mean, as you see, there's people in the hallways just walking around enjoying the show. The place was pretty packed, looking a bit more like pre-COVID, if you will. Our friends at Eaton over here had a neat little Ford truck on display. RPC race coatings there, and so in the central hall it's divided up with performance and restoration, and so here we have Ride Tech, Flaming River, all the big names are at the SEMA Show. Thought we'd give you a little look-see on the inside if you haven't been to the SEMA Show. I know it's a bucket list for a lot of us. Heights had a really nice little Chevy 2 Nova here, yeah. And that was on display as well. The California Kid and the California Kid Express was on display at the show. Just some really nice cars and new products. That's an incredible dart there at racingjunk.com. Interested to know how many of you guys ever go to racingjunk.com to buy parts. We're looking at being in there. There was, of course, all the television celebrities were there signing autographs as well. But we're here just to kind of take a look and see what's going on in the show. Really nice Ferrari. Blueprint Engines had a neat display of all their different crate motors. Here's a 427 Ford small block. Really good stuff. Magnuson superchargers, they were all over the place as well, so they're pretty popular these days. Big old blower on that setup. Looked like an LS. Race Winning Brands has several different brands of race and performance products for you, from Dart to Diamond and so forth. Haltech, Boost line, as you see there, connecting rods. J&E pistons. Mickey Thompson tires had this really neat 60 El Camino all stuffed with tires and a big blower popping out of the hood. Of course, there's the ladies. Nice trucks too. The SEMA shows in the past were really focused a lot of C10 trucks. So here's a nice Ford truck, beautifully detailed. I'd like to know what you guys think and how you're inspired by this. This is an interesting truck. This is a Toyota truck with just all done up at Hoppos, and with that incredible suspension and frame setup. And then the interior is inspired by a 59 Impala. That's something different in a Toyota truck. So I thought I'd get a little shot of that. And he's got the turbo poking out of the hood. Garrett system there. And that was the Central Hall at the SEMA Show. Let us know what you think.